We guide you through how to turn off auto emojis on Discord mobile for both iOS and Android. First thing you need to do is open the Discord app and tap your profile icon in the bottom corner to access user settings. Next, scroll down and tap on text and images. Then, look for the option called automatically convert emoticons to emojis. Toggle these settings off to stop Discord from changing text like colon parentheses into emojis. Once disabled, any text you type will stay exactly as written. This settings applies instantly and works the same way on both iPhone and Android, making it easy to fully control how your messages appear on a Discord mobile.